Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway to shoulder sway. This is very similar to the shoulder sway to sway. It feels a little bit different because of the height variances at different points in the move, so there's no real difficulty in change between the two. If you know one, then the other one's going to come pretty quickly. I'll put a link to the other one in the description in case you want to go back and look at the other version. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. It starts off with the standard sway. We go back, we wrap the lady in, preferably with the lady's hand flat over and not bent up. We sway the lady back, we sway the lady forwards. We're sending the lady out. We're going into what is effectively shaking hands grip. As the lady's coming around, guys, we step forwards, turning left, we take the hand down, so we overturn the lady slightly. That hand is going to be coming up over the guy, and it's got to be far enough over the guy the lady doesn't feel like she wants to turn herself. Guys heading back to where they were. We're going to take the hand across, but we're going to keep it high, so it folds onto the lady's shoulder. So we can now do the shoulder sway, sway the lady back, sway the lady forwards, send the lady out, finish as you like. I'm just going to do a hand change and a return. And we'll go to the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap into the sway 2, sway 3 and 4, send the lady out 5, we're going to go through low 6, over the top 7, back onto a shoulder by 8, swaying 1, forward 2, away 3, face 4, returning 5 and back 6. Let's try it together. Remember with sways there's fast and slow ins and outs, so you can vary this quite a lot. Go 7 and 8. Back, wrap, backwards, forwards, away, down low, up high, on the shoulder, twist, twist, out, switch, return and back. And that's that. Hope you find that useful and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and music recommendation on the end of a tune appropriate for practicing this too. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.